Kenya Rugby Union oyudo sir mar omenda maromo Sh190 kowuok kuom kambi tudruok mar Safaricom. Sirno mabiro dhi nyime kuom higni 2 biro konyo riwruok mar KRU e tawo chenro mar Shujaa gi mano mar wakeni ma Lionesses.
Truly excited to be here today to give back. This is a great team. Our journey started not just today with the sponsorship. We sponsored the team. Team Kenya during the Olympics earlier on this year. And it was really nice to spend some time with the ladies that evening and even in Paris. So really for us, it's just to make sure that our grassroots sports are really taken care of, and we want to continue the transformation of sports within the country, and hence the reason why we're partnering together.
We need for the Shujaas to be in the top 8, so our immediate goal is to be in the top 8. Of course, we're ambitious. The better we do, but we don't want to be in the relegation battle. This support will help us achieve that, because it goes into the players' salaries. Then we have the other sponsors' money that also goes into that, and supporting in terms of all the support structures, nutrition, insurances is already covered now, other allowances for the teams, technical support, all that is covered.